today we are doing a tribute for DJ Yoda X, original Crash Crew, Zulu Nation, Black Spades, and he passed away. And so we're doing like a tribute for him today, just let people know about Yoda.
Nice.
This is celebration of life for Lord Yoda X. I'm the daughter. This is basically in remembrance for Yoda X and for the people that love him, of course. This is gonna be like every year too, for like a long while.
So what is one of your fondest memories? Like favorite things that they do?
My favorite thing, all right, this is like, we lived together, so he used to call me all the time, Kim, can you get me some water? Can you get me some water? He's upstairs. He comes downstairs, right down the bottom of the stairs. Kitchen is around the corner. I say, but you standing right here, you can't get the water. He'd be like, but I want you to do it, And I'd be like, oh my God. He'd be laughing like, it's gonna piss you off. It pisses you off, right? And I just laugh. But now I wish he could ask me for water 1,000 times. I'll go get it with no complaints.
Wow.
And even when I was younger, growing up, I always used to be with my dad everywhere he wanted to go. National Black Theater, I used to be in there all the time after school meetings. Like even just going places, doing a lot of things. He took me traveling everywhere with him, a lot by himself, but I did go a lot of places, Christmas times was the best. Just him showing me through life, guiding me through life, even as I got older. I was young, didn't want to listen, now I got older, taking heed to it. And he really inspired a lot of people, because a lot of people, they let me know on the daily of how much of a good person he is and how he's a mentor and different things, and he's a lot of different things and in different aspects in a lot of people's lives. And I do appreciate everybody for that, and I appreciate him because he made an impact on a lot of people. He used to be like, you just my father. He used to be like, I'm just your father, I'm nobody, I'm just your father, I'm nobody. I used to be like, yeah, but when he went, I really realized, I said, oh, all right. But I used to say that all the time. You're just my dad. You're just my dad. A lot of people used to tell me that. I seen your dad on TV. I saw your dad here. I seen your dad here. And I didn't really believe it until he was gone. And everybody was like, letting me. I really realized how much of an impact he really made on everybody. And myself, of course. So I really do wish a lot of people could be like him. I really do. He walks around with a mean face. His demeanor is very strong, but he got a heart of gold under that. So,
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just speaking for the love of the Zulu Nation from back in the days when I was growing up. Those were the cats that was looking out for people back in the days, And my man DJ Lord Yoda, who was like, he's like one of the OGs to me when I was coming up doing my stuff. And it was Daryl C, Shoe B. They had this song called Rockin' on the Radio. And back in the days, we used to go on the YMCA, and, Bismarck was alive, we would battle and get that. Everybody got their skills up back then. So then my crew came out, Trends of Culture, we was on Motown. We did our stuff from like 90 to 95. And then I had to change up because, hip-hop industry is kind of messed up. So, but you got to be able to pay bills. So I had to get into Hollywood and get my money that way. But at the end of the day, it's all love. You never forget where you come from. And Harlem is the birthplace, uptown, of hip-hop in the whole 9 yards. And without question, without the Zulu Nation, without the Panthers, you wouldn't have any semblance of what unity could be at in this area. That's the truth. But you gotta go through it, do your research. I ain't gonna beat folks in the head. You can find out for yourself. You know what I mean? But as for the Crash Crew, love forever, man. Rocking on the radio. Some of the songs you heard that De La Soul even took a sample from, called Shocking Females, came from the Crash Crew joints. So that's just a little history. I'm one of the young OGs, but I'm still up in there with it. You know what I mean?